Now I'm going to show you how to set up two monitors with the CMS software. With the right video hardware, you can have up to 4 monitors. And first thing you need to do is go into your video settings and activate your second monitor once you have it plugged in. And then we're going to open up the CMS software, click Setup. And in the Setup window, we need to click Plugin. And here we can choose what we want showing on each monitor, whether we want to expand the live view, search, or have an EMAP set up. And once you have chosen what you want on each monitor, we need to save and close and restart the software. And once the software is restarted, now we have 2 monitors set up with the CMS software, and it's similar to this. Now I'm going to show you how to connect using a web browser. First, we need to type in the IP address of the camera and then click Connect. And you might need to disable pop-ups for the login window to appear. And we type in our ID and password. By default, it's root for both ID and password. And once we have the live video up, we can choose what type of streaming between JPEG or MPeg4. And there's different functions at the bottom: record, stop, save, and capture. And we can also connect and disconnect. Now I'm going to show you how to update the firmware and get into the setup through the web browser. And we need to click the administrators page and allow the pop-up. And in the login, we need to type in the user ID and password. By default, it's admin for both the user ID and password. And then our setup page is showing. And then we need to click the firmware update on the left. And in that window, we need to click Browse and find our firmware file. It's going to end in .tar. And then click Update. And then there will be a bar showing the progression of the update. It takes about 5 minutes to upgrade the firmware. And once the update is completed, we need to restart the camera. So we click Restart, and it'll take a couple minutes for the camera to reboot. And then after it's done, you should see the new firmware version shown there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. And if you do have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-691-1034. Thank you.